Hi, girls and boys. Today, I'm going to show you that eggs are a lot stronger than you think, because I'm going to stand on some eggs without breaking them. Eggs are amazing, and of course they have this hard protective shell that's a lot stronger than you realize. If you take an egg in your hand and you squeeze it and you want to apply even pressure, you'll realize that an egg can actually withstand a lot of force. Now, the other thing I need to caution you about is that anytime you touch a raw egg, you want to then thoroughly wash your hands, because sometimes there can be bacteria on the shell, which can make you really sick. Okay, so now watch what happens when I stand on these cartons of eggs. But before I do that, I want to point out something about an egg. When you look at an egg, usually one end is a little bit more pointed than the other end. So what I've done is I've aligned all the eggs in the carton so the pointed end is up. And then the other thing to notice is I have a garbage bag on the floor, because if this experiment doesn't work, it's a disaster. So you want to make sure that you protect the floor. Okay, so here I go. Now I'm going to stand on this carton of eggs and watch what happens. Hopefully I won't break any. There's one foot. There's the other foot. Look at that! I'm standing on the cartons of eggs. Isn't that incredible? And they're not breaking. I weigh almost 200 pounds, and they're not breaking. This is amazing. So what's going on? Well, it all has to do with the shape of the egg. You see, the egg shape is unique, and it's very similar to a three-dimensional arch, which is one of the strongest architectural features known. The other thing about an egg is the strongest parts of the shell are at the top and the bottom of the egg. So when you put pressure on the top and bottom, it's less likely to break. And then finally, the curvature of the shell helps evenly distribute the pressure on the egg. So boys and girls, this is a great experiment to do at home to impress your friends. But make sure you ask your parents before you do this experiment and get their permission. And make sure you cover the floor, because if it doesn't work, you're going to have a mess. Remember, boys and girls, if you want to learn more about science, just go to our website. And remember, it looks like magic, but it's science.